Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2019 Ford F-350 Lariat. Coming in this nice blue and gold coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke turbo diesel engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 Off-Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, rear park sensing with that nice tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a nice tri-fold tonneau cover, which is hard, which is nice. Got the nice Ford logo there. We got mud flaps on the rear, and we get nice deployable running boards, which will go back up when you close the doors. Trailer tow mirrors that have blind spot detection, turn light, and spotlight indicated. Got mud flaps on the front. And moving to the front here, we got 2 tow hooks, a block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see we do have seating for up to 5 people. Nice leather interior, plenty of door space with some wood accents. You do got your cup holders, a 12-volt outlet, 2 heated back seats, 2 USBs, and a 110-volt outlet, and you can fold that down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. You can lift up the seats if you need additional room. You got floor mats, and we do get a nice flat fold storage system. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here we do have powered seats. The same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space with memory seating for up to 3 drivers. That nice wood accent again. We got our tailgate, pedal adjusters, lights, and spotlights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 119,180 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, which is also heated, and you can find the heated steering wheel function right there on your infotainment system. Got your volume, playback, play forward, mode, mute voice, phone, cruise control, and toggle for your screen. Which you can then go through My View, Trip and Feel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, and other settings. To my right, we got tons of storage. You'd even get storage underneath. 2 cup holders, but if you need more, you get 2 more. More storage there with 2 USBs, and you can fold it out for that nice wood paneling. Leather-wrapped center console with tons of storage. You do get heated and cooled front seats with dual climate. You got a 12-volt and 110. Got storage above with that Super Duty logo. Storage below, a leather-wrapped dash as well. Trailer brake, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive. You got your music, tune, volume, all that fun stuff. Engine brake, traction, hazards, and hill. And looking above me, we do have our features for our auxiliary switches, which you can set up however you please, as well as a rear window opener, which is pretty handy, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof. Looking at our main screen here, we do have our navigation, what station we're currently on, what phone's connected, and your heated steering wheel. For your audio, we do get Sirius XM capabilities. You got your climate, phone, navigation, any apps you may have downloaded, and settings such as your Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatible. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EF54676A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.